So here are some more facts about the street children of Delhi. Not just Delhi, actually, all over India, where you see such a dichotomy of existence of social manner, where you have the haves and the haves not. And we'll talk a little bit more about the fundamental reasons of why street children are existing the way they are. Go ahead, Anil.
And why these children run away from home?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure. Maybe their parents are abusive. A
Yes.
little bit of peer pressure. They
Yes.
see the other children around them.
Yes.
If they see that they are probably leading a life better than them,
Yes.
and or probably the kind of ambitions that the children
Yes,
have,
yes.
they do not get fulfilled.
Yes.
Maybe
Right, sir.
That is the reason.
But I like to tell you briefly.
Mhm.
Okay, main cause is poverty, and second reason is mental abuse and even sexual abuse, natural disaster, child abandon, and some children see a film and get highly impressed by the movie, and they want to survive cityful and colorful life. That's why children run away from home.
Okay, so that's one of the major reasons, and this is being addressed by Salam Balak Trust by involving the street children and helping them interact with the haves of the society. People like us, which in a way helps them gain confidence of being part of the society, as well as bringing up their economic strata a bit, such that they can be at firm footing with the remaining part of the society and
Yes.
grow as much as the country is growing.
Yes, and there are 12 platforms, and every platform has a gang with a gang leader. The gang leader is in charge finding a new child and training them to be a pickpocket and to do drugs. And some children give some money to the gang leader. In exchange, they get protection from the police and other gangs.
Well, that's the negative or the dirty side, if you would like to call it, of living on the streets. And we'll try to discuss this more and more as we take the tour.